Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a new AI coding platform which you can actually generate applications, run it and also deploy them automatically. So the name of the AI coding platform is Builder-io. This is the company. So if you simply navigate to the browser, simply type builder.io. This will be the website which comes right here. The interface looks quite simple and very similar to other AI coding platforms as well, such as Claude, Grok, Gemini, OpenAI. So here you basically see a chat prompt where you will be able to actually say which kind of application you want to generate, and then you can even connect your GitHub repo as well. And does it also provides you with the free plan here where you can try out this. It you gives 25 monthly AI credits, so you can get started for completely free. So you can sign up here with your Google account here, simply log in and grant the access. So once you log in, you will be able to use it for completely free. So let me just log in here and just show you a very basic app how to develop this using this platform. So as you can see here, you just need to select the space type here. So Fusion, these are two different spaces. First one is, it also shows you the visual thing, visual AI assisted code generation. And the second one is create and publish on brand interactive. So you can select anything. Let me select this one. And here you just need to select your role here and just select a bunch of frameworks, and then this will be the interface of the AI coding platform right here. So here you simply type which kind of application you want to generate. So let me just say build a React.js app to convert images to PDF and download the PDF as attachment in browser, generate all the files and run the project and deploy this as well. So we basically given this prompt here. Please build a React.js application to convert images to PDF and download the PDF as attachment in browser and generate all the files. So here you can select the framework as well. So click on send message. As soon as you do this, it will create a project for you. It will initialize it and create the application, the source code files. So this may take a few minutes, so just wait for it to finish. So it is creating that machine which will have React.js installed. So it's a complete AI editor similar to VS Code, but it runs directly in the browser itself. So you don't need to install anything. You just provide the prompt and then it actually design your app. So as you can see, these are different steps here. First of all, initializing, creating application, starting machine, starting server, and then cloning workspace. So, so these are a great platform here if you want to create any sort of full stack app. First of all, provide the prompt here, and after that, it will generate the code here. So this may take some time here if you're doing it for the very first time, because as I'm doing it for the very first time, so for initializing the workspace, if you're doing it for the first time, it may take some time, and after that it will be very fast. So just don't need to pause the video here, so you can just see the overall process of how it generates. So once it generates, you will see this is the setup is complete, the dev server, and it is actually generating all the code for you in the left hand side. You can even basically enable notification when the task completes. You can click this button of enable. This will automatically tell you that once your application is updated. So as you can see, it is installing the modules which is required for the application. One by one it is doing the task. So now it is connecting to that development server. So these are different code files that it generated. If you see, basically this is our TypeScript. These are different components, as you can see. So it generated all this code in a matter of seconds here, you will see. And this is the coding part here, and this is the live interaction part. So here it is generating your app. So you can try this for completely free here for up to 10 apps, and then after that you just need to subscribe to their paid subscription plan. So the free plan is more than enough to actually try this. So now it is creating the actual home page. So once it completes it, you will see the live preview of the app being created. And there is also this option given to create a GitHub repo. So you can click that button to create a GitHub repo out of this as well. So this is, and you also get the option to attach files as well directly right here. So it is basically generating this full stack application. So this is a code part here. You will see this is comes with a full stack editor as well. So here you can see all the files. This is the live preview part. So now you can see your application has been built successfully, image to PDF converter. So right here you drag and drop any sort of images that you want to convert. Simply select images, click on convert to PDF, and now you see your PDF file has been downloaded with the amount of images that you selected. So in this easy way, in a matter of 5 minutes, we build out a full stack application without writing a single line of code using this uh, insane and very good platform which is builder.io. Definitely try this, and apart from that it also gives you this option right here to create a new repository with your changes. So if you click that, you just need to click connect your GitHub account here. So once you click this, your it will ask you for this authorization. Simply click, and here right away you can create a GitHub repo out of this code here. So this is really it will save you a lot of time here. As you can see, just write the password of GitHub. So once connected, you can actually name your GitHub app, click on create repository, and then automatically your GitHub repo, as you can see, it is created automatically, so you don't need to do anything. So this is your complete app here, as you can see right here. So in this easy way, guys, you can see it created all this code here. You can even modify it as well. It comes with a full stack editor. You can you can just put any sort of button right here if you want to modify it. So we have all these controls as well. So it has a design part here. Then we have the coding part here. So definitely try this. It's accessible right here, which is builder.io. So the pricing starts from $24 per month. If you are interested in it, you can subscribe to this pro plan. So where you will get 100 monthly AI credits, and you can build out 100 apps. So in a free plan, you can even only build 25 apps, and the integrations are there with connect with GitHub, all these third-party platforms as well. So definitely try this builder.io platform. Very good platform with the uh, great alternative to Claude, Gemini, all these AI models. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.